Are you creative and have a strong interest in art and design? Now is the perfect time to turn your creativity into a professional career. Enroll in our graphic designing course integrated with artificial intelligence and discover how innovation meets imagination. You'll learn to create stunning designs such as photo manipulation, logo design, business card and flyer design, brochure design, portfolio building, and many more. You'll also gain hands-on experience using top industry tools like Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Illustrator, and InDesign, the same software trusted by professional designers worldwide.
Wow!
So, what are you waiting for? Step into a rewarding career in graphic design today. For more information, contact us at +965-5077-8703. Look for Miss Michelle. +965-9930-2850 for Miss Rachel. Or visit us at Panasonic Tower 8th floor, Malia, Kuwait City. Start your creative journey and design your future. This is Miss Michelle from ICSA Kuwait, your partner in success.
The confidence you need. Guarantee.
ICSA, your partner in success.